Number 1. 1996 Ford F-150, price $10,000, comes equipped with a strong 5.0L V8 engine, automatic transmission, and 4x4 drivetrain. Showing 181,000 miles, this classic pickup features a burgundy exterior paired with a gray interior and runs on gasoline. It holds a clean California title and has been well maintained over the years. The previous owner recently completed a full tune-up using Mobil 1 oil along with fresh Motorcraft spark plugs, ignition cables, and distributor cap. The truck runs smooth and drives exactly like a classic F-150 should. Extensive maintenance has been done to keep it in excellent driving condition, including a new transmission, California-compliant catalytic converter, replacement motor seals, water pump, fresh coolant, new coolant hoses, belts, fuel pumps for both tanks, fuel filters, and a new mass airflow sensor. Number 2. 1992 Ford F-150, price $9,500. Powered by the legendary and nearly indestructible 4.9L inline-six engine paired with a manual transmission. It has 180,000 miles and remains in good running and driving condition. Finished in its original red paint with a gray interior, the truck also features cold AC and a working heater, making it a reliable and comfortable classic pickup. This F-150 has received numerous upgrades and recent maintenance, including a new battery, alternator, clutch, suspension, American racing wheels, tires, bed cover, visors, and a Kenwood touchscreen stereo system. It also comes with tinted front windows and a lowered stance thanks to a 2-inch front and 4-inch rear drop kit, giving the truck a clean and aggressive appearance. Inside, the interior is in excellent condition with a clean floor, crack-free dashboard, and a newly installed bench seat that looks great. Number 3. 1985 GMC S15, price $9,000. Finished in blue with a matching blue interior, this gasoline-powered pickup is equipped with an automatic transmission and a reliable 2.8L V6 engine. The truck is reportedly 98% original and still retains its factory spare tire mounted under the bed, adding to its originality and appeal. The previous owner made only a few tasteful updates, including chrome exterior mirrors, new rear tail lights, a fresh headliner, upgraded dash speakers, a rebuilt carburetor, a bed cover, and a new set of wheels and tires with only 200 miles on them. It also comes equipped with power steering, manual brakes, working air conditioning, and an AM/FM radio. According to the owner, everything functions exactly as it should, making this S15 a solid example of a classic GMC pickup. Number 4. 1978 Chevrolet K20, price $10,000, powered by a strong-running 350 SBC engine paired with a 4-speed manual transmission and a dependable 4x4 drivetrain. Finished in black with a red interior, this classic truck has an aggressive stance thanks to its new 33-inch tires mounted on 20x12 wheels. It also comes equipped with a gooseneck ball in the bed, making it ready for towing or hauling duties. This K20 has received an extensive amount of recent work and is considered well above average for its age. Every component in the front suspension and steering system has been replaced, giving the truck a tight and solid feel on the road. The entire braking system, both front and rear, has also been renewed. Inside, the freshly re-upholstered bench seat with new foam adds comfort while keeping the truck's classic character intact. The carburetor has been freshly rebuilt, helping the engine run smoothly and reliably. Number 5. 1985 Ford Ranger, price $10,000, well-preserved classic pickup that remains in excellent physical and mechanical condition. Powered by a dependable 2.3L inline 4-cylinder gasoline engine, it is paired with a 4-speed manual transmission with overdrive that delivers smooth shifting and comfortable cruising. The truck features an attractive blue exterior combined with a matching blue interior, giving it a clean and classic 1980s appearance. According to the owner, the truck runs and drives very well, showing signs of proper care over the years. It also comes equipped with factory air conditioning, although the AC system currently needs a recharge to function properly. Overall, this Ranger is a solid and clean vintage pickup that would make a great daily driver, weekend cruiser, or addition to a classic Ford collection. Number 6. 2001 Chevrolet 1500, price $8,500, with 217,000 miles and an automatic transmission. Powered by a gasoline engine, the truck features its original factory orange sunset paint paired with a clean tan interior, giving it a classic and eye-catching appearance. The truck was previously involved in a front-end collision, but it was professionally repaired back to factory specifications. Because of the accident history, it does carry a salvage title. Despite that, it remains a solid running and dependable truck that drives well down the road, Recent maintenance includes brand new front brakes, rotors, and calipers, helping ensure strong stopping performance, and the tires are still in great condition with plenty of life left in them. Number 7. 1999 Ford F-150, price $5,500, powered by a dependable 4.6L V8 engine paired with an automatic transmission and a 2WD drivetrain. With 154,000 miles, this gasoline-powered pickup has been kept in great condition for its age. It features a clean white exterior complemented by a tan interior, giving the truck a classic and well-kept appearance. Inside, it comes equipped with a Bluetooth radio for modern convenience, while the AC and heat both work great, making it comfortable to drive in any season. The truck runs and drives well with no known mechanical issues or leaks. Overall, it presents itself as a solid and reliable pickup. The only cosmetic issue noted is some paint chipping on the tailgate, though a replacement tailgate will be provided shortly. Number 8. 1989 Ford F-150, price $6,300, powered by a 302 HO V8 paired with a 5-speed manual transmission. The engine, sourced from a 1991 Mustang, has approximately 90,000 miles and has been converted to a carbureted setup featuring a Wind intake, Summit carburetor, and Pertronix distributor. The truck runs great, has proven to be very reliable, and comes with a clean Kansas title and the owner's name. It is described as extremely solid with no rust issues aside from minor surface rust on the roof that could easily be cleaned up. The body panels, floors, and frame are all in excellent condition. Recent mechanical upgrades include a fresh M50D transmission, new clutch, flywheel, master cylinder, and throwout bearing. Numerous additional parts have also been replaced, including the shocks, tires, radiator, and more. The sale also includes new door panels and lowering shackles that have not yet been installed. Number 9. 1988 GMC 1500, price $3,500, equipped with a strong and dependable 5.7L 350 V8 engine paired with a 700R automatic transmission. With 212,000 miles on the odometer, this brown exterior pickup has been consistently used as a daily driver and remains a solid runner. It starts easily, runs well, and shifts smoothly through the gears, making it a reliable truck for regular use or light work. The truck does have a few age-related issues typical for its condition. The driver's side window regulator is currently not functioning properly, and the driver's side door sags slightly, although the necessary parts to repair it are already available. Inside, the cabin shows some cosmetic wear and tear that reflects its age, but nothing that significantly affects usability. The air conditioning system is also in need of repair due to a non-working compressor. Number 10. 1998 Chevrolet 1500, price $3,250, showing 147,000 miles on the odometer. It features an automatic transmission and runs on gasoline, with a black exterior finish that gives it a clean and classic look. The interior color is not specified, but the overall condition reflects a truck that has been maintained for consistent everyday use. It runs and drives perfectly without any issues, and according to the owner, it is strong enough to be driven anywhere with full confidence and no hesitation. The vehicle comes with a clean title under the owner's name, adding further assurance for buyers. A brand new battery has also been recently installed, improving its dependability and readiness for immediate use.